Guys, so today I told you in my house. Yan, so this is the living hall. So many of the clutter see I need to do is there, and all of this. So yeah, slowly we will see this house. See, it's my flower from my birthday, and this is like I don't know what is all this inside on top. It's becoming Watson of Olive Young. So much of clutter, so need to declutter. One of the luggage that use, and this one luggage that I use also for my makeup. Just recently yesterday, 2 days ago, yesterday I went for home service makeup, so I use this one. I still haven't done finished to keep. So this is my house. Anyone can relate? I have this so cluttered anyway. So yeah, then my aircon is spoiled. I'm waiting for at 6 o'clock, 6 to 7, I'm waiting for my repairman to come. So hopefully we'll finish at 7, because we are going to watch movie. The Devil Wears Prada or Michael Jackson. So we're going to watch. This is my house. Anyone can help me to do the cleaning. It's very much helpful. Okay, so let's see if I can finish this laundry here. Okay, so thank you guys for joining my cluttered house. So messy, don't know what to do now. The painting I paint, and my daughter also paint this one, and the other one also my daughter painted for me. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, I see you guys next on my vlog. But I'm waiting now for my aircon serviceman to come. 6 to 7 our schedule, they will come for do my aircon. One is very condensed, one is hot, and one is normal wind come out. The other one is very cold. So yeah, that's my aircon. So waiting for the repairman. Okay, bye. Okay guys, bye. See you in my next vlog.